Hi guys, it's me again, Mr. Movie Comic Lover. And I forgot to mention some rumors and gossip about the Marvel Cinematic Universe Phase 2. And they are saying that Iron Man 3, he's going to give up the Hulkbuster suit, which means that he's not going to make it just yet. He's not ready. But in Avengers 2, okay, he's going to make the Hulkbuster suit and fly into space. And that's where he will meet the Guardians of the Galaxy. Not in Avengers 2, but they're probably going to see Iron Man take off into space somehow, and that's how that happens. And they're saying that Thor is going to be unable to go back to Asgard. I don't know what happens. Maybe Odin dies. I don't know. But he's going to be unable to go back to Asgard. And he's unable to take the hammer. He's unable to have powers. And he has to live among us as ordinary people. So Donald Blake, And which would make sense because that way you get the other characters, the newer characters involved. And Captain America's shield gets destroyed. And that's the last, I guess, in Avengers 2. That's his last thing that he had back in the day. And it gets destroyed. And that's his, prized possession. One of his prized possessions. And he wants to create a new shield. And he finds out that vibranium, that Africa, the African country of Wakanda has vibranium. And he goes, and it sees him going there. So you have all these superheroes. Somehow something happens that makes them all go different places and unable to do certain things. And the Incredible Hulk gets captured. He doesn't get sent to space for Planet Hulk or World War Hulk, but he does get captured because they feel he's the main threat. Maybe they could make a Planet Hulk adaptation of it. Maybe in Incredible Hulk 2, the leader comes and he tries to make the whole world like monsters, gamma radiant monsters, and the Incredible Hulk is sent out of prison to take them all down. Kind of like that, and he defeats the leader, and somehow the monsters probably see him as a king, and they follow him, or something like that. But that would be a little too mushy. That would be too scrambled, and you don't want to destroy the Hulk. So maybe not introducing the leader, having the leader as a villain itself is good, and kind of have, maybe they can make a Defenders movie, you know what I mean? So they're saying that the Incredible Hulk 2 is going to have Ant-Man, Doctor Strange, Black Panther, and Falcon, and Miss Marvel in the movie known as The Incredible Hulk 2. It's not going to be an Avengers movie, but it's going to be them trying to take down the Hulk and trying to help the Hulk, trying to defeat the leader. So that's going to be pretty interesting. I think that's really cool. All you need now is Yellow Jacket, and you have the complete roster of the Avengers, the original Avengers. You have them all. And so yeah, I don't know. They're saying that Hawkeye dies and Black Widow dies, and it would probably make sense a little bit. I don't want them to die, but it will make sense because Black Widow really isn't an Avenger. Hawkeye is, but it will make sense to have a way to have Wasp and Miss Marvel a part of that, because Wasp and Miss Marvel are part of the Avengers. They are. So it would make sense if Black Widow dies or if Hawkeye dies, but man. So I'm just saying these are just rumors and gossip that a bunch of stuff just happens and it goes bad and just bad things doesn't work out. And this is sources saying from the Tina Review and stuff that have predicted that Loki will be the villain and have predicted a lot of stuff that was accurate. They could be wrong, but who knows? Who knows what can possibly happen in the Avengers 2? Possibly it's going to be bad for them. Something's going to happen, something's going to give, and it's going to be a desperate thing, and it's just going to be huge. And that's all I wanted to tell you guys. That's all the gossip and rumors I really wanted to tell you. And it's just a big thing, a really huge thing that we are trying to figure out what's going on. And all of a sudden we get this gossip and rumors that it's going to go bad. And a lot of stuff happens. But it will make sense, because that way they can introduce the new characters. You know what I mean? And Avengers 3, it will be full of new superheroes. Maybe by the end, Captain America builds his shield at the end, and Captain America leads the Avengers in Avengers 3. It will be cool. And Iron Man is busy with the Guardians of the Galaxy, and Thor, and Doctor Strange probably helps Thor go back to Asgard somehow. So you never know. You can't put them down, and there will always be a way, and we will have them all together to face off against Thanos. I'm pretty sure that's going to happen. Red Skull's going to be the villain.